Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. I am eating my lunch. Now, some milk. I open the window. The window is open. I wash the hands with soap. I wash the hands. I cut the onions. Chop, chop, chop. Woo, so many tears. I smell the flowers. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I turn on the light. The room is bright now. I wash an apple. The water cleans the apple. Now it is clean. I sit on the chair. I stand up. I sit down. I drink the juice. I pour milk in the glass. I dry the dishes. All clean now. I taste the food. I heat the water in kettle. The water is getting hot. Now it's ready for my tea. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I clean the counter. I wipe it clean. Now it's shiny. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I eat the tasty pizza. Yummy. I eat the tasty pizza. I cook rice. Stir, stir, stir the rice. Yummy rice. I grill the chicken. See the chicken sizzling? That smells good. I use cell phone. I use cell phone. I lift the box. I wash the car. I wash the car. I wash the car. I am ready. Let's learn English. Are you ready? Yay! I share the snacks. Thank you. Yum. You're welcome. So good. I ride the horse. Giddy up, horsey! This is fun. Yay! I turn on the fan. I do the homework. I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes.